I'm about to share something with you I didn't know before I started network marketing. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I want to talk about network marketing, all right? And something I didn't really know before I got started. Now, network marketing to me has gotten a bad rep, I would say, the last 5-10 years, right? When it comes to ways of making money online. But in my opinion, recently, right, network marketing companies are popping right now. There are more and more really good network marketing opportunities out there, and more people are jumping into these companies, and some are being very successful while others are not. So I was involved with several different network marketing companies years ago, and I'm recently got involved with three companies right now that I promote and that I'm actively involved with. But there is one thing that I realized: if you want to be successful as a network marketer, but here is something that I didn't know before I actually got started in the network marketing industry, and that is you need to have a leader mindset. Now you might be thinking, what the hell? I'm a leader. Of course you need to have it. No. See, here's what I'm talking about. A lot of times when people join network marketing opportunities, they kind of join it. Maybe they was convinced to, maybe somebody, really did a great sales job on them or whatever. And they kind of just get involved, half-assy, right? They're just kind of like, nah, oh, whatever, I'm in the company, or I'm paying my auto ship fees or buying the products or whatever. I'm not really going hard with it, not really making too much money, whatever, right? These people, they're not going to be successful, right? Because they're not a leader. They don't have that leader mindset. And to me, if you don't have a leader mindset, you are not going to be successful with network marketing. The idea of being able to just join a company okay, just do the basic, I'm just going to follow my leader type mindset. Yeah, at the beginning, that's cool. But even if you are following your leader and taking instructions from your team, right, you still need to have the attitude and mindset of I'm trying to be a leader. I know what I'm going to do. I know what I got to do. I know what I need to do. I know what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it. That's the mindset that you have to have if you're going to have any success in the network marketing industry. Because this is something that I learned throughout the years, right? Because I was a victim of, joining a company and just not really doing nothing, attending a couple webinars and, making a couple posts and sitting back kind of like, we'll see what happens. No, you need to have the mindset. Hell, I should have had the mindset of this is what I do, right? I'm going to be successful in this company, right? I'm going to create this content. I'm going to push this opportunity, right? I'm not going to sit back and be like, well, let's just see what happens. You know what I'm saying? Damn that, right? Especially with this network marketing game. It's very competitive, especially if you involved with the company that's growing, all right? It's going to be more and more competition. It's going to be harder to get people on your teams if you're not coming off as a strong leader, all right? Now you might be thinking, whoa, what the hell? You know what I'm saying? I like network marketing, but you scaring me, bro. You scaring me with all this, I gotta be a leader. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to earn some extra money and blah, blah, blah. Look, here's the good news. It doesn't take a lot to become a leader, right? Remember, I said it's mindset, right? You can be a leader by just putting yourself out there, right? Coming up with a strategy, sticking to it, and putting your opportunity out there. And then the other part of that is when people join you, right? This is the real key to becoming a leader, right? When someone joins you in an opportunity, your job is to reach out to them and make sure you put them on the right path, all right? If you can do that, you are a leader. You're a damn good leader, all right? So the first thing is putting your opportunity out there. Let people know who you rock with, who you a part of, how you get down. The second part is when people join you, really be a leader for that person. Point them in the right direction. Help them. Give them tips. Give them advice. Motivate them. That's what makes a dope ass leader. And it's simple. Anybody can do that, right? Because remember, if you're part of a network marketing opportunity, right, you have more longevity, right? You've been there longer than anybody who you bring on. So all you need to do is just share your wisdom, share what you learned so far from the company, and give tips and advice on what you think can help your new recruit. All right. That's what makes a good leader, in my opinion. So like I said, network marketing companies are blowing up right now. A lot of people are getting involved, and a lot of people are quitting because they're going in with the wrong mindset. You have that leader mentality, you can be successful with network marketing. Now, if you want to check out 2 of the best network marketing opportunities out there right now, you can find them in the pinned comment of this video. And if you aren't part of these companies yet, I'm sure you're going to want to be.